TikTok has emerged as a popular platform for sharing short, entertaining videos. As users explore the app, they might come across the term TikTok ad account. But what exactly is a TikTok ad account, and how does it work? Let's break it down in simple words to help you navigate the world of TikTok advertising. At its core, a TikTok ad account is a space within the TikTok platform that allows businesses and creators to run advertisements. It's like a digital storefront where you can create, manage, and monitor your ads to reach a broader audience. Think of it as your personal ad hub on TikTok, where you have the tools to showcase your products, services, or creative content to the vast and diverse TikTok community. To get started, you need to create a TikTok ad account. This process is relatively straightforward. You can either set up a new account specifically for advertising purposes or use your existing TikTok account if you already have one. Once your account is set up, you gain access to TikTok's advertising features, enabling you to connect with users in new and exciting ways. One of the key components of a TikTok ad account is the Ad Manager. This is where the magic happens, where you design, launch, and manage your ad campaigns. The Ad Manager provides a user-friendly interface with tools and options that make it easy for both beginners and seasoned advertisers to navigate. It allows you to customize your ads based on your goals, whether it's driving website visits, increasing app downloads, or promoting brand awareness. Okay, now, let's delve into the types of ads you can create within your TikTok ad account. TikTok offers various ad formats, each designed to engage users in different ways. The in-feed it appears in users' For You feed as they scroll through videos, seamlessly blending with the content. Then, there's the branded hashtag challenge, encouraging users to participate in challenges related to your brand. The branded effects ad format lets users interact with augmented reality effects inspired by your brand, creating an immersive experience. Another crucial aspect of TikTok ad accounts is targeting. To ensure your ads reach the right audience, TikTok allows you to define specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. This way, you can tailor your ads to the people most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Whether you're targeting a specific age group, geographic location, or user behavior, TikTok provides the tools to refine your audience and maximize the impact of your ads. Budgeting and bidding are also integral parts of managing a TikTok ad. You have control over how much you want to spend on your ads and can set daily or lifetime budgets. The bidding strategy determines how you want to optimize your spending, whether it's to maximize clicks, impressions, or conversions. This flexibility allows you to manage your advertising budget effectively and adjust your strategy based on the performance of your campaigns.